Hello. Today we'll practice negatives and contractions. We will practice making sentences with it is not, it's, it isn't, they are not, they're, and they aren't. For example, I'll ask, is it an orange? And you'll answer, no, it isn't. It is not an orange. It is an apple. It isn't an orange. It's an apple. Or, are they oranges? No, they aren't. They are not oranges. They are apples. They aren't oranges. They are apples. Let's start. Is it an apple? No, it isn't. It is not an apple. It is an orange. It isn't an apple. It's an orange. Are they bananas? No, they aren't. They are not bananas. They are oranges. They aren't bananas. They're oranges. Is it a papaya? No, it isn't. It is not a papaya. It is a lemon. It isn't a papaya. It's a lemon. Are they apples? No, they aren't. They are not apples. They are lemons. They aren't apples. They are lemons. Is it a banana? No, it isn't. It is not a banana. It is a grapefruit. It isn't a banana. It's a grapefruit. Are they peaches? No, they aren't. They are not peaches. They are grapefruits. They aren't peaches. They are grapefruits. Is it a lemon? No, it isn't. It is not a lemon. It is a lime. It isn't a lemon. It's a lime. Are they raspberries? No, they aren't. They are not raspberries. They are limes. They aren't raspberries. They are limes. Is it a strawberry? No, it isn't. It is not a strawberry. It is a pineapple. It isn't a strawberry. It's a pineapple. Are they limes? No, they aren't. They are not limes. They are pineapples. They aren't limes. They're pineapples. Is it a strawberry? No, it isn't. It is not a strawberry. It is a raspberry. It isn't a strawberry. It's a raspberry. Are they pineapples? No, they aren't. They are not pineapples. They are raspberries. They aren't pineapples. They're raspberries. Is it a fig? No, it isn't. It is not a fig. It is a cherry. It isn't a fig. It's a cherry. Are they apples? No, they aren't. They are not apples. They are cherries. They aren't apples. They're cherries. Is it a cherry? No, it isn't. It is not a cherry. It is a papaya. It isn't a cherry. It's a papaya. Are they oranges? No, they aren't. They are not oranges. They are papayas. They aren't oranges. They are papayas. Is it a grapefruit? No, it isn't. It is not a grapefruit. It is a fig. It isn't a grapefruit. It's a fig. Are they lemons? No, they aren't. They are not lemons. They are figs. They aren't lemons. They are figs. Is it a lime? No, it isn't. It is not a lime. It is a strawberry. It isn't a lime. It's a strawberry. Are they lemons? No, they aren't. They are not lemons. They are strawberries. They aren't lemons. They are strawberries. Great job! See you next time.